Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. 87 and 90 gasoline will each sell for $3 more. Automotive diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will cost $3.06 more. $3.06 will also be added to the price of kerosene. Propane will sell for 95 cents more, while butane will cost 25 cents more. Oil prices rose today after government data showed U.S. crude and fuel inventories fell last week, offsetting concerns that rising coronavirus cases might reduce demand. Brent crude rose 29 cents to settle at $79.23 a barrel. Almost 700,000 more debit cards were in circulation at the end of the July to September quarter compared to the same period last year. The Bank of Jamaica's Payment Systems Bulletin shows that 4.4 million debit cards were issued, up from 3.7 million cards of Jamaican dollar denomination at the end of the same period in 2020. Now, the increase is linked to more Jamaicans being forced to do online transactions due to the pandemic and more banks converting to digital transactions, reducing in-branch traffic. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $154.79. $121.13 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $208.23 for the pound, while the euro is trading at $178.02. The JC Index gained 6,971 points today, while the Junior Market Index advanced by 6 points. Among today's winners were JMMB Group 7.15% cumulative redeemable preference shares, T-Tech, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Paramount Trading Jamaica, and the Siboney Group. While on the losing side were JMMB Group 7.25% shares, Jetcon Corporation, iCreate, Caribbean Cream, and ISP Finance Services. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.